Bonsoir, les amis. Just wanted to go over the flashcards again with you in case you needed to see it or hear it. First question on the flashcards is Quelle corvée as-tu fait? Quelle corvée as-tu fait? Which means which chores have you done, or which chores did you do? Of course, it's the passé composé. And one example of how to answer it, and I'm sorry about the formatting, my Mac didn't want to put the right spaces in, would be j'ai rangé ma chambre, fait mes devoirs, et travaillé dans le jardin. Another question would be est-ce que tu as fait ton lit? Est-ce que tu as fait ton lit? Which is the passé composé again with the verb faire, tu as fait. Have you done your bed, or have you made your bed? And then you can answer oui, j'ai fait mon lit, or non, je n'ai pas fait mon lit. Also, qui a nettoyé le salon? Ma sœur a nettoyé le salon. So that's who cleaned up the living room. My sister cleaned up the living room. And here you can see that that A there should have had a space before it. Another question. Qu'est-ce que ta mère a fait comme corvée? What kind of chores did your mother do? Or what did your mother do in terms of chores? And then you could say something like, ma mère a fait la vaisselle, a fait la lessive, et a balayé la cuisine. And then another question, qu'est-ce que tu as fait dans ta maison? What did you do at your house? And you could say, j'ai regardé la télé et j'ai surfé sur Internet, mais je n'ai pas fait les corvées. And once again, the formatting left out the accent aigu and the other there. I meant to write it in, but I didn't, so I apologize for that. Another one is, chez toi, est-ce que tu dois faire les corvées? At your house, do you have to do chores? And then the possible answers for that could be, oui, je dois faire les corvées tous les jours avant de jouer à des jeux vidéo. Yes, I have to do chores every day before playing video games. And notice again that the two E's, the accent aigu and the second E, are not in corvée there because of the formatting error on my Mac. Another one here. Qui a fait la cuisine hier chez toi? Qui a fait la cuisine hier chez toi? Who made dinner last night at your house? Or yesterday at your house? And so one of the possible answers could be, hier soir, mon père a fait la cuisine chez moi. Last night, my father made dinner at my house. Next question. Here. Est-ce que tu as nettoyé ta chambre? Est-ce que tu as nettoyé ta chambre? Did you clean up your room? And normally, I would say ranger there. I'm not sure why I said nettoyer, but ranger would mean like to straighten up, and nettoyer would be to clean. Oui, j'ai nettoyé ma chambre. J'ai nettoyé ma chambre. And then, qu'est-ce que vous êtes allé? Où est-ce que vous êtes allé? Excusez-moi. Où est-ce que vous êtes allé? Where did you go? Où est-ce que vous êtes allé? And notice again the passé composé, but this time with être, because aller is going, and verbs of coming, going, rising, falling, birth, death, rest day, and reflexives all use être as the auxiliary verb or the helping verb in the passé composé. And when you do that, you have to use the past participle like an adjective and add an extra e or es to it in order to make it agree. Où est-ce que vous êtes allé? And then you could say, nous sommes allés au cinéma pour voir un film. We went to the movies to see a film. Now, if it was a group of all girls for aller, you would have an extra e there instead of just the one accent aigu and the s. So now we're on to our last question. And I know I'm going through these fast, so pause the video. Excuse me, I dropped it. You can pause this video. Sorry, I know I'm probably making you car sick here. Or you can replay the whole thing if you need to in order to get these. Qu'est-ce que tu peux faire d'habitude le week-end? What can you usually do on the weekend? Qu'est-ce que tu peux faire d'habitude le week-end? And then the possible answer for that would be, d'habitude le week-end, je peux dormir, regarder la télé et sortir avec des amis. But the ami got cut off. Lovely formatting going from the PC to the Mac. So those are the flashcards that I gave you. I emailed those home as well. And so that's what you need to do in order to be ready for your speech tomorrow, in addition to being able to talk in the passé composé about what you did last weekend. Salut les amis, au revoir!